Hi guys, look what I got. I got a RAK and this is from a lovely lady. Her name is Angel Scott and I met her through the Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group, and she's a really supportive, encouraging lady. She says the nicest things to everyone on the group and to myself, and we've been chatting on Facebook and we've become friends. And yeah, she sent this through. She's put a little note there, sent with love. So I thought I would open it on camera, and I think I know what this is. She posted a picture of some beautiful fabric that she had on the Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group, and I said, oh wow, that's beautiful, and I have a feeling she's done a sneaky and sent some to me. She's got some, everyone makes their envelopes really pretty. I never do. I always want to when I see everyone's really beautiful envelopes they have on you know, YouTube and Facebook, but I never seem to have the time. I don't know. It's always on my to-do list, but she's got a little printed label there. Some beautiful washi tape, which I'll pull that off and reuse. Oh, it is. Oh my God, Angel. Yeah. Wait, there's a little note. Let me read it first. Oh, she wrote, Dear Bonny, just want to say thank you. I'm sure this will get used. Love, Angel. And good work, Angel. I'm so glad she reused this little bag. This is actually a little bag that I used to send something to her. And I'm very proud of you, Angel. You've reused it. These were actually my husband's old comic sleeves. He was chucking them out because they looked a bit yellowed and discoloured, and he bought new ones. I was like, you can't chuck all that plastic in the rubbish. So I've been using them to pack stuff in. Oh, she's got nice pretty scrapbook paper that I never ever have. She's been making oriental journals, and she bought, oh, I don't know where to start. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I feel spoiled. Oh, you put way too much in here, Angel. That's so generous of you. Oh, and it smells so nice. It smells like it reminds me of Strawberry Shortcake doll. When we were little, a friend had a whole collection of Strawberry Shortcake dolls, and it reminds me of one of those. But look at that. That is so beautiful. So beautiful. Like, you could just use that on a journal cover and not do anything else to it. It's so gorgeous. It's like it's painted or something. It's like screen printed or something. It's so beautiful. Oh, you sent me so much. Oh, that's beautiful, Angel. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. This is a huge piece. I feel so greedy. She did say on Facebook, I'll send you some, and I like get embarrassed. I don't know why. If people send me stuff, I feel like embarrassed or greedy or something. And I'm like, no, you use it. I was just commenting it was beautiful. But she did a sneaky and sent some through. So nice of her. That is beautiful fabric. See, I will like sit on this forever because I always think it's too pretty to use, and I always put it aside for, you know, that special project, you know, but then you don't end up using anything. So Yes, I will try and use this straight away, Angel. That is so beautiful. And she's got some little red pieces here. Oh, look at that. Oh, did you iron some interfacing or something on it, or is that how it comes? Look, it's so beautiful. I love that. This looks like those little Asian Chinese little fans. Thank you, Angel. That's like so generous. You sent me way too much. I would have been happy with like a little square or just a little, you know, a little strip, but that is beautiful. So even this can be used as a trim. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Angel. I really love it, and I'm so grateful. Thank you. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.